give the password, maximize the window. Here you will see there are 4 sheets: journal, trial, bank and voucher. First of all, you will have to configure your company name. Here you can edit by default or by your supplier of the software. You can add the address of your company, your contact numbers. Here are the links for the other reportings: voucher, ledger, trial and banks. Here is the cash reconciliation indicators. Here is the cash in soft form. Here is the cash in hard form. And here is you have also links with the hard. Here this sheet, if you want to go back, you can click here, journal, and you will be here. Now you have to make a trial. You can edit here with codes, your own accounts. They are the sample accounts. You can add here your accounts, expenses, liabilities, income, expenses, payables, assets, receivables, all the trial accounts you can add here. Either you want to add with codes, you will have a help here for the codes. Assets will begin with 1 code, liabilities with 2, owner's equity 3, revenues with 4, cost of goods sold with 5, expenses with 6, other revenues with 7, other expenses with 8, sales of assets with 9. Here you will see there is a must be 0 value. If you have, after posting, here is the 0 value, it means your posting is accurate. If in either case, if there is not a 0 value, you will have to see and go through with the corrections. You may have some errors in posting, in amount or anything else. Here we have the hard cash details in your pocket or in your drawer, cash in drawer, the notes denominations in Pak rupees, the 5,000 notes quantity, the quantity which you have in drawer, the notes of 5,000, 77, which makes the amount 385,000. You can change. If you have 20 notes of 5,000, it will become to 1 lakh. If you have 1,000 notes, 150, it will become 150,000. At the same time, you will also have the total amount here. If you have 5,200 notes, it will become 1 lakh. It will 100 notes 20, it is 2,000. 50 notes are 45, it will become 2,250. 20 notes with 26, 10 notes 45, and here the chillers. The 5 is maybe 5 coins 20 with 20, 2 coins with 40, and 1 coin it's 0, or either anything else 45. Here we have 355,445 rupees in our drawer. If you have changed, you can add here a, the value will be changed. So here is the actual hard cash in your drawer. This value shows that you have posted this. Your software shows you must have this amount in your drawer. This value shows that you have a short of cash. You have short cash. Either you have the expenses to post, or other values, or the cash which has been withdrawn the cash has been disbursed to any other for payments, etc., etc. 30,530 rupees you have to post. So here we will go to the journal ledger. Journal, here you will go, that short amount also shows over here. Now you will go the final, the last one. Here is the date. You can add today's date by this. First of all, you have to add the day, then month, and then the year. Today is 11th January. 11/1, enter. 11th January. Here is the type of the voucher. Voucher number, site. If you have multiple sites, you can add here. Here is the document number, either your check number, your invoice number, your DC number, etc. You can type here. The bill number. Here is, you will add the amount. Here this is in one row you will add the double entry system in the single way. In one row you will entertain the two accounts, the debit account and the credit account. The debit account which is receiving, which is being paid. For example, if you are giving a check of 50,000 to a supplier, you will here cash bank payment voucher. Bank payment voucher. Bank payment voucher here, and you will here be the 50,000 amount to a supplier. Here is list of the suppliers. You can scroll it with mouse to here is the supplier. All the accounts, list of accounts. Here the inventory items, electronics. These are fixed assets, liabilities. Here is the here are your suppliers. Munir Welder is the supplier. You pay him through the bank. Here there should be bank account. Bank saver. Here you have completed one transaction. Now we will see how this figure affect the account of Munir Welder. Here we will come trial from here or here. See the Munir Welder. Control F. Search there. Here the account of 50,000 has been debited. If you will come see in journal, if you say that it is not the 50,000, it was 125,000, you will see the effect here in trial. Here you see 150,000. If you want to, if you see, if the party is giving the bill of 130,000 with the balance of 5,000 payable, here we will see in the journal part Munir Welder is giving the bill of 130,000 on the this day. You will see there is a